Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can cancel Google One subscription. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Google application on your laptop, computer, or maybe your mobile phone. And then you're going to open up your Google account. I'm going to click on my Google account and then we can select manage your Google account. And then we're going to select the payments and subscriptions. All right, and then scroll down until we find the Google One. As you can see guys, I have subscribed to the Google One, and I'm going to show you how we can cancel the subscription. You can choose the Google One, and then you're going to click on cancel subscription right here, and right after you click on this option, your subscription to the Google One will be canceled automatically. But I'm not gonna do that guys, so I'm just going to click on close. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel Google One subscription. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.